Hi everyone, this is Easy Math, Class 6 Mathematics. We are in Chapter 3 Ratio and Proportion and we'll do exercise 3.3 in which we have done first and second sum we have done already in the previous video. Now we'll move on to question number 3 which is fill in the blanks. What is given? If the cost of 3 pence is rupees 18, then the cost of 5 pence. What is the meaning of cost? The price. We can buy 3 pence. If you're buying 3 pence, then you have to pay rupees 18. The price, the money for 3 pence is 18 rupees. Now, if you want to buy 5 pence, how much rupees we have to pay? That means we have to find the cost of 5 pence. If you want to know the cost of 5 pence, first of all, we should know the cost for 1 pen. If you know for 1 pen, suppose if 1 pen is 2 rupees, what is the cost of 5 pence? 1 pen is 2 rupees. Then cost of 5 pence, 5 2s are 10. So if you know the value of 1, we can find for many. But is the 1 pen given? Instead of 1 pen, we are given 3 pence. So from 3 pence, we have to find the value of 1 pen. After finding for 1, we can find for 5. This method is called unitary method. That is, many things are given. You find for 1. From that one, again we have to find for many. This method is called unitary method. Okay, that's what we are going to do here. Let us write the statements first. What is it? 3 pence. Cost of 3 pence is rupees 18. Therefore, cost of 1 pen. Look at it. We know for many, we have to find for 1. Many to 1 is what? We have done already the word problems. Many to 1 is division. So, it is 18 divided by 3. Tell 3 tables till you get 18. The numbers are so small. Division is very easy. 6 3s are 18. So, rupees 6 is the cost of 1 pen. 1 pen is 6 rupees. We have to find the cost of 5 pence. We know for 1, find for many. What is it? 1 to many. Multiplication. 5 into the cost of 1 pen is 6. So 5 6 are rupees 30. So 3 pence 18 means 1 pen is divide, you'll get 6. And we know the value of 1, we can find for 5. This method is called unitary method. So many to 1, 1 to many. What is it called? Unitary method. Okay. Now we'll move on to the second one. If Kar Kujali earns, Kar Kujali is the name of a girl. Okay. Earns means she's getting a salary. We can say salary. She's working somewhere and her salary. Earns means she's getting some money for the work she does. The salary. The pay, P-A-Y, pay, the salary she is getting is rupees 1,800 in 15 days. For 15 days, if she is working, then she is getting 1,800 rupees. Then she earns rupees 3,000 in. Suppose if she wants 3,000 rupees, then how many days she has to work? If she works for 15 days, she gets only 1,800. But she wants 3,000 rupees. Okay, so how many days she has to work? She has to work for more number of days or less number of days? For 15 days, 1,800. She wants more money. So she has to work for more number of days. So let us find how many days she has to work to get 3,000 rupees. So first we know for 15 days. From 15 days, we will find for 1 day. Okay, let us write the statements. Earnings in 15 days. Earnings in 15 days is rupees 1,800. Therefore, earnings in 1 day. What is her earning in 1 day? We know for 15 days we have to find for 1 day. Many to 1 is what? Division. So 1,800 divided by 5. It is the normal division we do. 1,800 divided by 5. So when you are dividing 1,800 by 15, we get 120. So rupees 120 is the earnings in 1 day. Now earnings of rupees 3,000. She wanted to earn 3,000 rupees. If she works for 1 day, she will get 120 rupees. So to get 3,000 rupees, how many days she has to work? It is not from 1 to many. We know for 1 day, that is, we know the amount we know, we have to find the number of days. So it is again division. Second step is also division. So unitary method starts from first division, multiplication, otherwise it is division to division. Here it is division, second step multiplication. Here first is also division, second is also division. We have to find the number of days. Earnings is given. We have to find the number of days. So again you divide 3000 divided by 120. So we can cancel 0 and 0. So you divide by 12. How many times? 12 2s are 24. When you subtract remainder 6, bring down the next number 0. It becomes 5 12s are 60. So needs how many days she needs? She has to work for 25 days to get 3000 rupees. So this is two problems in the same problem we have. First we have to find for one. From there we have to find for many or the number of days needed. Here it is, we know for many, find for one. From there again find for many. So division to multiplication, here division and division. These are the two steps involved in unitary method problems. We will do few more sums so that you understand it better. And question number 4 is of different type, children. Just listen. Find whether 12, 24, 18 and 36 are in order that can be expressed as two ratios that are in proportion. We have to check whether these four numbers can form a proportion or not. So we know the law of proportionality. We have done in the previous video. That is, the product of the extremes is equal to product of the means. Which are extremes here? When you write them as a ratio, it becomes 12 is to 24 as means 4 dots, 18 is to 36. Now how to check whether they form a proportion or not? Product of the extremes is equal to product of the means. Check 12 into 36. When you multiply, you will get 432. Same way, multiply 24 into 18. Again, you get same 432 when you multiply them. So, the product of extremes is equal to product of the means. Therefore, these given four numbers, as in the given order, they form a proportion. The next is also of that same type. What is it? Write the mean and extreme terms in the following ratios and check whether they are in proportion. 78 liter is to 130 liter and 12 bottles is to 20 bottles. See, we know ratios can be found between the two same units. So, it is 78 is to 130. Both are liter. And 12 bottles is to 20 bottles. Again, the units are same, bottles and bottles. So, we can form the ratio as like this. 78 is to 130 as 12 is to 20. We have to, which are extremes here? Extremes are 78 and 20. So, the ratio is 78 is to 130 as 12 is to 20. We have to write the extremes. Which are extremes? The first term and the last term. 78, 20 are extremes and the means are 130 and 12. So, now we have to check whether they form a proportion. What to do? Multiply the extremes and multiply the means. You see, when you multiply 78 into 20, we get 1560. 130 into 12, also 1560. The products are same. Product of extremes is equal to product of the means. Therefore, they are in proportion. These given numbers, given ratios form a proportion. Okay, children, we'll do the rest of the sums in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Thank you.